Welcome to this HR Conclave, organized jointly by Jharkhand Rai University and Board of Practical Training Eastern Region. As Amrita just mentioned, that this HR Conclave is one of its kind in the state. I'm very happy to welcome all of you for this first of its kind conclave in the state. This conference has been organized to bridge the gap between students, academics, and the corporates. More than that, it is an opportunity to understand the future. The future is already here. And a beautiful thing about the future is it brings great opportunities for all of us. The pandemic has forced us to rethink the way we work, operate, and function. It has also taught us resilience. COVID-19 has changed everything, and so has the world of human resource. Today, we stand at the cusp of change, and there is a new normal. It has become imperative to adapt to the new normal. The emergence of a new way of work is here to stay. We all know that. Things are not going to change in future. Things like flexible work environments are on the high. Remote work is no longer a luxury or a benefit to most of us, no matter which sector or industry you are in. Today, HR needs to be prepared to manage and effectively engage remote workers as more of the workforce gets dispersed. However, even though the landscape changes, whether it is remote working, hybrid mode of working, or any other new phenomena which will come, one thing remains constant for every organization, that is the people. They remain in the center of any mode of working. As many of us continue to work from home, human resources prime focus has been on how to create an emotional bond with employees, how to help the staff to accommodate to the new normal, and how to ensure that processes from hiring to exit happen smoothly. To ease the process, companies have embraced technology that can align goals and can create an impact. Interesting HR titles have evolved lately, like people champion, employee experience officer, talent advisor, even vibe manager. All of them show the need for creativity in human resource, as HR will play a larger role as people advisors and become change agents. Today, the HR is on the front lines of the company branding effort. In the past, we never heard that human resource department is engaged in branding or marketing efforts. But today, HR is on the front lines of the company branding efforts, yes, owing to the narrative and telling stories that helped hire talent and retain productive employees. Because retaining productive employees in this scenario is very, very important now. Since the pandemic started, HR has come a long way. Now the human resource is being looked as a central role in companies. Success depends on being creative and how we identify talent for ever evolving roles and bridging the talent gap while working remotely half the time. To get ahead of this curve and win, the HR has to understand the business, anticipate change, and effectively manage workforce needs. I'm sure the conclave will reverberate with solutions for this new normal. Interesting panel discussions have been organized for us to learn and engage with. We have tried to engage different sectors for wide coverage, like retail and service industry, manufacturing sector, IT, agriculture, and health. Believe me, this is just a beginning in this direction. We will continue to engage with the industry through such efforts to make academia more meaningful. This conclave has been organized in association with Board of Practical Training Eastern Region. Mr. Ijaz Ahmed is also here, who's the director of Board of Practical Training Eastern Region. He's a very dynamic person, and under his leadership, Board of Practical Training has taken lots of initiatives and made lots of efforts in the recent past, to bridge this gap between industry and academia. And we have been working with them on many such initiatives. This is in this direction, not the first one. We had the job mela also for last 4 5 years, and very soon we'll be organizing that another job mela with association with Board of Practical Training Eastern Region for fifth time in a row. Maybe in August we'll be doing that. And with the help of BOPTER and other HR professional and industry, we will continue our efforts in this direction, and we will continue to hold more such events in the future. And I really sincerely hope that after this conclave, each stakeholder who has come here with whatever objective in their mind, they have something to take away with them. And this conference becomes a very meaningful conference for whatever objective we have come here with. Each stakeholder is benefited from here. And I really wish you all a great day ahead for this. Namaskar.